olive oil, just a touch, okay? We don't need too much grease in there. And I have some roasted garlic that goes first.
Just a little bit.
So we roasted that in the oven, and
I think
then
I'm seeing patience later on. All right.
So we're gonna wait until this butter kind of sizzles a little bit.
Good thing I did ham surgery and burns. So you want to stir this a little bit so that it doesn't overboil here, because we're not trying to brown the butter, just like we're trying not to brown the cream, because cream is butter too. So you want to stir this, just to whisk this. You usually do it to see a little froth around the outside of it, just a gentle, mild, rolling boil. Small bubbles, nothing too big. You know, just something, it should be about a whitish color.
He's back, Jeff.
Yeah, I'm right here for you. It's getting about right here. I think I got it ready for you.
Oh no, you're
I've
good.
just done the most critical part right
All right,
here. So
you can
there we go.
put some Parmesan in there then.
I really am impressed by the measurements that you're taking to make sure that it's proper proportion. This is why he's the regional chef. You can just eyeball this whole thing. Look at the ingredients here.
It's really a simple.
Hang on.
It's a very simple application. Just
Okay.
like when you talk and knit, you know,
Yeah.
cut and pull.
Yeah, I don't measure anything.
You see, it's quite simple to make.